The muffler captures the exhaust gases as they exit the cylinder. The exhaust exits the engine under great pressure as a result of combustion. The muffler quiets the noise created by combustion to a tolerable level. Many mufflers also have metal mesh or wraps that capture impurities that didn't burn completely during combustion. The metal mesh heats to an extreme temperature, which causes the trapped impurities to burn more fully, reducing harmful emissions. Over time, the muffler can rust or corrode as a result of the high temperature and the chemicals created by combustion. Eventually, a hole can wear through the muffler. Replacing the muffler is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the starter and the motor housing. With the housings removed, now I have access to the muffler. The muffler is secured with 2 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. And now I can install the new muffler. The new muffler comes with a new gasket as well as the screws. Now I can reinstall the housings. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the starter. That's how easy it is to replace the muffler on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.